our thumbs up for match number 2. Drivers behind the lines. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to the second match of our playoff tournament. Quick action from both sides of the field. We see the Aztecs over by the Red Alliance human player station putting their preload and the human player fuel up and into the Red Alliance hub. A steady stream of fuel also comes from Gone Fishing for the Blue Alliance as Andromeda 1 rushes the midline to gobble up some fuel. The Aztecs Buzz and the Wire Clippers for the Red Alliance emerge with the autonomous advantage. A quick fuel from Gone Fishing makes it into the Blue Alliance hub as we transition to our first scoring shift for the Blue Alliance. Gone Fishing finding the top of the hub again. Midfield, we see 1071 Team Max high centered on the fuel, but their alliance partners Andromeda 1 freeing them. It is now all hands on deck for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance now taking over their scoring shift. We see 5902, the Wire Clippers, near the midline gobbling up some fuel as Buzz and Aztecs begin the scoring shift by sending pieces of fuel up and into the hub. Blue Alliance making use of their downtime. Recess on the midline, grabbing some fuel for their next scoring shift. We'll transition over. Piece of fuel scurrying up and into the Blue Alliance hub. Not a lot of defense being played in this match, although we see 1071 harassing the Aztecs at the midline, trying to slow down their intake and reduce the efficiency of the Red Alliance scoring shift. Just a minute left in this match. Red Alliance leads, but Blue Alliance now ties things up. We'll go over to one more Red Alliance shift. We'll see if they can take advantage. Opening up an 11-point lead is the Red Alliance. Aztecs looking to wind it up, but their fuel just missing the top of the hub. We've seen them be very accurate. They're going to need to find their mojo again to maintain forward progress for the Red Alliance. In the end game now, both of the hubs will light up. Blue Alliance down by just 10. We'll see if they can use this time to close the gap. Red Alliance, Aztecs frantically looking for some fuel. It looks like Buzz is deploying their climber to put that precious tower points on the board. Blue Alliance still closing that gap, down by just 9 points. Buzz sitting pretty on the tower. That'll lock them down 10 if they maintain that level 1 climb. And as the match expires, we'll see the Red Alliance owns a 10-point unofficial advantage. A flurry of scoring in that endgame for both alliances. Blue Alliance within striking distance of Red Alliance the entire match. We'll see if they did enough to close that gap when we have your scores momentarily. Scores coming up on the board for our second playoff match of the tournament. The Red Alliance takes the win, 104-84. 64 fuel points making the difference there. That and the fuel in auto